Welcome to the Zimmer Copilot. Zimmer Copilot transforms vague requirements into confident project scope, which we call epics, converts it into stories, which is done using ML, and generates tasks. It also provides you with a high level budget, which you can use to monitor. So, this is a minimal viable product, and it is at the moment implemented on an Excel spreadsheet with an API performing the ML related computations. Now, this screen captures the scope of the project, and then when you say get epics, it provides you with a set of epics using LLMs. The LLM is provided with criteria which helps it get the right epics. So this is where the epics get generated. The user has the capability to choose the epics which are valid, and then stories get generated. Now once the stories get generated, tasks are generated, and the minimum and maximum estimates are generated for that particular task based on the clarity of requirements. Risk information can be added, thereby providing you a sense of contingency. The effort and schedule gets generated based on, it's basically accumulation of all the task related efforts applied on the contingency and the risk information. Uh, it can be a waterfall or it could be an agile, so the number of sprints are also defined. The estimate summary gets generated, which tells you the total budget for that particular project based on development. It also gives you across phases. Now these tasks are ready to be loaded into Zimmer and used as a task management tool. So that's where we are, and this is a short demo of the Copilot as it is today.